and out Manila.
Hello. Good morning. Again, my name is Jerome. So, I'm assigned in ano sa Cebu. Yun. So, bali Bisaya ra gyud kita. Kasi nagdanay Oh, so bali first time gid na ako mo interact kani mayani product update. So karon ako sa laya ako maka-receive bako sa ko dire ka sa US. So, I can also Sige. So bali, we have packages Shanghai. We have well, as we can see, we have three flyers here with different no prices. So we have out Manila and also we have out Cebu. So same. The down payment. So the down payment for this is 150 per pack. So tipping is $5 per day. So that's gonna be a $20 in total. Then if ever for solo traveler, we have $65 per pax. Uh, and also for the commission, it's $40. So same for the other one, mas malaki yung fighting one, Manila Shanghai, which we required 250 down payment for it, and also same $5 per day for the tipping, and single supplement is $150 per pax, and the commission much higher is it's $80 per pax. And for Cebu, we also have Cebu out. If you have valid clients who would like to fly out directly from Cebu, so we also have it. Same, the down payment would be $200 and the commission would be $50. And also for the this is a guaranteed group visa, so minimum of 10. So the visa group visa fee for it will be $50 per pax. Okay. So yeah, do you have any additional?
For additional info for this package po, since as you can see for the third flyer po, ang rate po natin is 588 po. Bakit po? Kasi po, for December, it is a peak season po. So, napakataas po ng rate for the airline. And of course, we have a new itinerary for December departure. And as of the moment po, from June to November, we have few slots left na lang po for Shanghai 299. So mostly po ang available na lang po is for December yung widely open. However, for June to November departure, mostly nasa 5 slots left, 15 slots left, or less than 15 slots left po. Kasi nakapag-book na po talaga yung iba. And ito po ay isa sa mga best-selling package ng UOS po. So let's proceed to next package po. And the next one is Avatar Shaman. For Avatar Shaman po, it is out Manila po. We use Shaman Airline for this package. And bakit po tayo gumamit ng Shaman Air for this package? Kasi po, we have, for the day 1 po, meron po tayong i-revisit na itinerary for the Shaman area. And of course, Ma'am Shara will add some details po.
For this Shaman, kakauwi lang nga namin. Andyan po sila, madam. Kasama ko po sila. So, last time we used charter. But for this Shaman airline, we already have this one since nung nakaraan pa, before we offer the chartered one. So, the last, a while ago, while Sir Jerry is paying for the chartered, yun po, parang binuo lang po namin, tinulungan lang po namin yung chartered flight na nagkaroon po. Pero now po, we will not offer anymore po, chartered flight for Avatar. Kasi po, yun nga po, hindi po sa amin yung buong flight. So, if ever po magkaroon ng problem, yun po ang problem na din namin. Dahil pag na-cancel po sila, of course, marami pong magagalit na pasahero sa amin. So, last time, I posted for, actually not factor, 199 per agent. So, naubos po siya. I have 3 buses with me. Nagpunta po kami sa Avatar. So, from Manila, direct po siyang sa airport. Last month. So, for Avatar Shaman, the flight is 9 p.m. 9 p.m. So, nandun na po ako. Terminal 1, 4 hours before. So, since I was the one who assisted last week lang, I was there actually 5 hours before the flight. But for those agencies po from Davao, I think their flight is morning and then Yun po, there's a ano lang, confusion for the terminal. So, Xiamen Airline po is located in Terminal 1. So, doon po siya. So, from Cebu Terminal 3 po, nag-travel po sila sa Terminal 1. And then, this one is group visa, but they have their own individual visa. So, not necessarily they did not have a hard time entering po. Kasi medyo na late na po sila ng konti, pero so fast. They're very, very fast po. Usually po, ang counter ay nag-open 3 hours before the flight. So, nandun na po ako at hindi po ako papasok hanggat hindi po nauubos yung nasa group visa. And also, yung mga pasahero, since may individual naman po sila, they can enter anytime po. And they can enter also the immigration anytime. But for the group visa po, kasi usually po, may mga agents po na nagpapatulong sa amin. For example po, first time, yung staff po nila isasama. Then, ako po yung sasama sa pila, sa immigration. Lagi po akong ganon. Sasamahan ko po mismo sa immigration. Siya po muna mauuna. Kasi makikiusap po yung agent na baka pwede mo samahan first time. All I'm asking for the agents is bring the documents. Proper documents lang po. COE, our memo, lahat po. If ever po magtanong lang naman po sa salary, then maybe she can give the payslip like that. But pag wala pong hiningi, huwag na lang pong ibigay. But usually po, meron po talagang pinapapasok. So, I was the one who will go with her. Lagi pong ganon. And then I will explain that this is a group tour. And then, papakita po natin ang pinaka-importante po dito is the group visa. Kasi po, i-guarantee po natin na babalik po yung pasahero. So, sometimes we assist po first-time passengers po. Lalo na po pag ako po yung kasama. So, from Manila to Xiamen, 9 o'clock, usually po, dadating po kami, madaling araw na rin po, mga midnight, and then check-in hotel. And then, second day, tour po sa Xiamen. After tour Xiamen, and then flight is in the afternoon po, from Xiamen to Changsha Airport. So, it will take us 2 hours, half an hour to 2 hours to go to Changsha Airport. Kasi po, kailangan po natin mag-connecting flight po doon sa domestic airline na po. Wala na pong immigration. Kasi po nabigay na natin doon sa unang immigration po, yung sa group visa. So kaya lang po minsan nagtatagal dahil nga po doon sa group visa sa immigration. Pag unang-una po pumasok sa China. So from Manila to Xiamen, group visa po, and then second day po tour, and then go to Shanghai, and then the rest itinerary will push through. For this Xiamen avatar, we usually have an optional tour. Ano po yung mga optional tour dito? Optional tour po dito is the lake, and then Bailong Lake, and then Xiamen Mountain. Yung Xiamen Mountain po is pinaka-the best po to experience. Ako po, magagaranti ko po, sabi ko nga po kayo na ma'am, hindi po dahil binibenta namin. Kasi po, pangatlong beses ko na po nakapunta ng Avatar. So, hindi po ako nagsasawa dahil po, kapag na-experience po nila, doon pa lang po sa cable car, sasabihin po ng pasahero nyo, worth it na po yun. Kasi po, napakaganda po ng Xiamen Mountain. Then, pupunta po kayo sa Xiamen Cave. Makikita nyo po if you're friends with some of the agencies who came with me last week lang, makikita niyo po yung post nila doon. Napakaganda po na makikita niyo sa taas ng Xiamen Mountain. And the last optional tour is Lady Fox show. So, ang show po na to ay nasa mountain din po. So, usually, ang optional po ay sinasabi ng tour guide kapag nandun na po sila sa Shanghai. So, parang sasabihin niya po, oh, tomorrow we have an optional tour, but if you will get the 3 optional tours, and then they will give po discount. Ang optional tour po ay binabayaran ng 220 USD. Sa tatlo na po. Kaya po sinasabi ko na ngayon, para po hindi nabibigla yung mga pasahero nyo. Pero kung gusto nyo po, you can also include na po. Para po hindi na po sila mag-aaral. For some, they don't like. We will not be forcing to, for the optional tour. They will, most probably po, they will wait for the one who got the optional tour for 4 to 5 hours po for the Xiamen Mountain. Kasi po, syempre, yung doon pa lang po sa cable car, matagal na po. Kasi longest po ito. Sobrang taas po talaga. Nandun po talaga kayo sa tuktok, and then you will pass by the cliff, glass cliff, and then go to the bridge na pababa na nasa ibabaw din ng
Kailangan
mountain.
talagang sumabay dyan.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, kailangan ba?
Yes.
Oh.
Wala kang exit na iba.
Ma'am, yung po nandun sa dulo, napakatakot po niya. Nag-live pa po kami. Nag-live pa po sila. Pero ma'am, pwede po, ako po, honestly, meron po akong fear of heights. Pero dahil po talagang gusto ko po siyang ma-experience at matanggal, talaga po sinusubukan ko. So, minsan po, uupo ka lang sa tabi. Pero pag nakita niyo na po yung view ng paakyat, I'll make sure of you, na mapapawaw ka talaga. Hindi mo mai-imagine kung paano siya ginawa. So, doon pa lang po, going up, sasabihin niyo na po, napakaganda po ng Chamin. And then from that, Chamin Mountain, again, cliff, last cliff, experience niyo po. Cliff pa lang to, cliff.
Kailangan
Sa gilid pa lang po ito ng mountain, naka-glass na po.
Optional
You
daw.
will wear, optional.
Okay.
Yes, optional. But, without the optional, you can experience the Byron Hill. Ito po yung mataas, na mabilis. Hindi naman po siya mabilis. Na-experience niyo yung napakataas na
So always
elevator.
remember, we didn't check.
Parang in a span of 1 minute, makakarating na po kayo sa 1,033 meters, right? So, yun po, wala po naman yung bayad. Kasama po yun sa itinerary. And then, for the Chamin Mountain again, yun po yung experience nyo, the cliff, the glass cliff, the bridge going there, and then, doon na po kayo mapupunta sa Chamin Cave. Ito po yung Chamin Cave, ito po yung sinasabi nilang 999 steps. So, pag nandun na po kayo sa tuktok, you can choose if you want to go down by the stairs or you can go by the escalator. So, meron pong escalator for those who, syempre po, yung mga seniors ayaw nilang bumaba ng stairs. Napakataas po. Pero if you want to experience the adventure, of course, you will go down by the stairs. And take a picture from the top.
Ma'am, 50% off kung maghagdanan ka lang.
Oy, mag-999 steps.
So, kasi, pag nag-optional tour na po kayo, kasama na po kasi, all the entrance for the escalator have payment. So, when you enter the first, we will pay. When you go to the second, we will pay.
So $200 mag-escalator ka na lang.
No po, for the train na po yun. So, the tour guide will give discount. The tour guide will give discount. For 3 optional. 3 optional. The lake, like the Bohol, yung ano ba natin, yes, the Bohol River, and then the Chamin Mountain, the best, and then of course also the best Lady Pop show. So 3 po, hindi po siya isa. That yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay po. Yes, ma'am. For the Chamin Mountain, it's $85. For the Lady Fox, it's $70 to $75. And for the lake po, yun po, nasa, ganun din po, 65. Ayan, tama po ba? Kung magaling ako sa So, total of 220 po siya. And then, pag kinuha niyo po yung tatlo, option, may discount na po yun. Magbibigay na po si tour guide. But ako po, I suggest you get all the 3. So, they will experience the best, ano po, dun sa Avatar. So, ma'am, kung ako po, talagang kailangan mo experience. Meron po akong kasama last time po, naka-wheelchair po si madam. But, pagpunta po namin doon sa nag-walk po siya talaga. Naka-ano na po yun, naka-opera po yung pero, nag-walk pa rin po siya. Then after that po, sobrang, ano niya, dahil na-experience niya, pinuha niya. So, meron naman po tayong tour guide. Our tour guide also is very helpful. Hindi po sila pwedeng magreklamo na napakababay po ng tour guide natin and very professional. So, no forcing. Hindi po ito yung katulad sa iba na iiwanan po kayo somewhere else. We will never do that. We will never do that. If you don't like to go to the optional tours, it's just you will have to wait for 45 hours. Doon po sa channel. Kasi po siyempre mataas and then you will go to that place. maybe the passengers po will experience like, doon po sa kinainan natin na lunch, and then, of course, doon po sa area, may mga shopping po. Magsawa po kayo sa mani, sa prutas, lahat po. Kahit po doon sa bus pa lang, magpagkain na po kayo, mapupusog na po kayo, dahil our tour guide po always give food. Hindi po kayo mapuputo sa lahat po ng tour natin. Baka po kayo po ay mag-ibag, tama po ba? Marami po kaming dishes. Per dishes po is 10. So, kayo pa po yung magsasabi na kakain na naman kami. Ganun po ang aming binibigay na po sa China po. So, pag sa iba po, syempre po, medyo iba po yung mga Korea, Japan po, Taiwan. But for China, we are very generous po sa food. Kayo na po yung mag-give up. Kayo na po yung magsasabi na ayoko na, busog na ako. So, yun po better tell the passenger to pay, or otherwise, if they don't like, they will never be forced to pay po. They will just stay in one part of the area and then enjoy shopping, enjoy, yun nga lang po, medyo matagal. Medyo matagal po. Okay? That's for the second or the third day and the fourth day. For Xiamen po kasi we have 6 days. So the last day po, and then the third day is the lake and the Bailong Lake. And then for the second, and then you will also experience the glass bridge, the famous canyon po. Ito po, wala po yan. Hindi po yan optional. Talaga pong pinupuntahan. Or on the 5th day lang. And then for the 4th day, dun po magkasama yung Xiamen Mountain. And after that po, you will have to take the dinner. And then after dinner, the passenger will go to the maiden of show around 8:30 p.m. po yung time. So, experience po nila yun. And then the last day po is going home back to Manila. Sorry, arriving. So from earlier po, breakfast po, and then after breakfast, the tour guide will bring us to the airport in Changsha, and then from the Changsha, we go to Xiamen, 2 hours again, and then we waited for 3 to 4 hours po. Pwede na po kayo mag-check-in by 2:15 p.m. Like yesterday, we check-in for 2:15 p.m. and then go back to Manila around 7:50 to 8 p.m. po arrival. Yes, sir.
Tanong si Cora, Kapitan, what time daw ang lunch?
Ayun na po.
Senior wife.
Sorry kasi, sir, para ma-explain lang. Okay po na. Sige, bibilisan na namin.